Oh, let me see that live fish. Oh, oh wow. Okay. Okay, we're gonna eat that. It's alive. Yes, it's alive. Tsaka mura, no? So, what else did you order? Laki ng problema mo. Smile, Lord. Oh. Okay, we have one live fish. Kasi kahapon nag-live fish tayo. It was very spicy. Cool. Can you tell them not so spicy?
Oh, do they cook these vegetables?
Cool. I said, tell them not so spicy. Kung hindi, maging spicy masyado yan. Oh, yan, no? Piti vegetables. Oh, yan. Kailangan may ano eh, may anong tawag dyan? Anong tawag dyan ginagawa mo? Translator. Kung hindi magkaintindihan talaga. Okay, sanay na rin sila sa translator.
What's better, that one? This one? The one she touched? Or cabbage?
Cabbage.
Turo mo. Para sigurado ka.
Sorry, this, which one? Here or this?
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry daw.
Hello?
Hello.
Not this one. No. This one.
Bakit di mo turo kung aling gulay dun?
So, anong fish yung gusto mo?
We got na.
We got na. Yung buhay nga eh.
No, I just want to repeat the order.
Yeah,
just
the
to be
order.
sure.
This one, we got the front page.
Oh, ganda ng restaurant niya, oh. Daming mga vegetables, oh. Tsaka yan, oh, buhay yung fish na kinuha namin. Ayan, yung mga different kinds of food niya. Wow, grabe. Lahat mouth-watering, oh. Yun nga lang, ha. Careful lang sa spices. Look at those food, oh. Ano lang to, ha? Parang karinderya lang to dito. Yes, hindi pa to high-end restaurant, ha. Ano lang to. You can see, no? Simpleng restaurant, pero lahat masarap. Yan yung luto na kinain namin kagabi, oh. Wow, look at that. Daming spices. But this time, iba naman ang cooking. Ganito ang order namin. Yan, kanya sila mag-serve ng mga plato. Cool. I said, pour me some hot tea. Yan. Yes. Yan. Sarap yan. Hot tea while in China. Ganda ng mga menu nila, oh. Parang ano lang, oh. Parang streamers lang na nakalagay dyan, oh. Oh, ganda. Oh, you're so busy. What are you doing, both of you? You're so busy. Oh, what did Mama say? Is she gonna follow?
Yes, coming here.
Huh? Did you sleep well with ate?
It's okay.
It's okay lang? Ayun mga drinks nila, oh. Ganda, oh. Sa bote pa, oh. Cole, ask them anong klaseng drinks yun. Ikaw yung inuutusan ko, eh. Tapos pinasa mo kay ate. Mukhang masarap yung mga drinks na yun, oh. What? Oh, you're so busy. Oh, eto na si Mama Berna. Oh, ano nangyari sa'yo?
Ipag-load siya.
Ha?
Nahanap ako ng parlor. Pauwi.
Oh.
Ipag-shampoo load rin ako.
Tagal mo. Oh, cool. Anong sabi? Yeah, anong sabi? Andali, I'll take your picture. Oh, harap kayo dito. Berna, smile. No, dito, smile at. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at that fish. It's really boiling hot. Buhay yung kanina. Yun, para tuloy-tuloy yung heat niya, oh. Oh, sarap niyan. And anong vegetables to, Lorelie? They look good, huh? Yan yung picture ng fish, oh, Lorelie. Oh, ngayon, it's already here in front of us. Oh, ito yung order ni Cole Baron, oh. Pork looks good, oh. Yung sauce ang sekreto niyan, eh. Cole, ang tagal mo. What did you buy? You bought something for me? Yeah. Cole, what is it you bought? Yan. What is it? What's the name you bought, Cole? Sea cucumber? Ikaw, Mama, ang tagal mo. Anong binili mo?
From there.
Ano binili mo?
Kasi wala ang laki.
Ha? Ano yung binili mo?
Sandwich.
Bakit? Ang sarap ng isda. Hindi mo kakainin yung isda? Ha?
Masarap yung stirrups mo.
Ang sarap. Oh, that's the sea cucumber fruit. Thank you, Cole Baron. How's your pork, Cole? How's your pork?
Hello.
Good? Yummy?